filter, Vertis is our company, and Fluid Mask is our product. What happens is it opens it up in our workspace. We analyze this image. This never takes more than a minute. And when you notice that it's done, it's going to have found all the edges for us. We use our delete local brush, we turn up our strength, and we do one swipe on the background. And as you notice, there goes the majority of the background. At this point, we go to Image Autofill. That's going to create our keep mask. Green is keep, red is delete. We come down to the bottom, and we turn off these edges just so we can see that hair a little better. We grab our blending brush, and we very simply just go ahead and paint wherever you see hair and air. An easy way to remember this is if you see the background showing through, just go ahead and cover it with blue. Now that I'm done, I'm ready, and I go ahead and just click Create Cutout. And as you can see, there goes the background in less than a minute. I can even zoom in on this hair to go ahead and show you the detail of that hair. So at this point, we would File, Save and Apply, take it back into Adobe Photoshop as its own transparent layer, at which point we come here, go ahead and grab this real sky, drag it right over, do a little free transform, spread it right out, and go ahead and bring it forward, and there you have your cutout placed on a new background in less than 2 minutes. I'd like to show you another image, not just hair, something that's a little harder to work on. Here we have transparent clothing, and it's very difficult to knock out background behind see-through objects. Vertis, Fluid Mask, and again, it analyzes the image, finds the edges for you. So you can take this delete local brush, do a swipe on the left, a swipe on the right, and one in the middle, there goes the background. We now do Image Autofill. That creates our keep mask. We come down to the bottom and turn off those edges, grab this blending brush, and we just go ahead and paint wherever you see transparency. And in a matter of seconds, we go ahead and create the cutout, and there you can see we will File, Save and Apply, bring this back into Adobe Photoshop as its own transparent layer, go ahead and grab this sky, throw it behind her, go ahead and bring it forward, and as you can see, now we can see those clouds behind our dress. www.vertustech.com.